Welcome to this demonstration video of Cyclone 9.0. Today we're going to be covering the new registration tools, more specifically the new grouping functions that were enhanced for 9.0. We're going to try to recreate this registration here of a plant. It's about 40 scans, and we're going to use targets actually, showing how the benefit of the grouping enhancements affects targets when you are just using targets and not cloud-to-cloud registration or auto-align, although it'll work with those too. Okay, I'm going to shut this down here and open up a registration window. I'm going to go ahead and quickly add scan worlds here, and there we go. And I'm going to use the tool that groups automatically by inspecting the targets and then forming groups or what it thinks should belong together. Okay, so I'm just going to use the command create scan roll groups with targets. It's going to a couple warning boxes about auto align. And really what we have here is 3 groups, and it was able to put these together in these sections. What's really nice about the new tools is that you can take this one group here and perform a final registration on it, or see how valid the group is by using that command I just used called optimize scan roll groups. In the constraint list, you have 2 new columns here called group error and group vector. You can align by group, and if I click that, then it aligns all the errors by group. So I can see the errors inside of group 1, which all seem really good to me. Then you can also optimize, remember optimize scan roll group. You can just do a final registration on this set. So you can know the validity of groups before you merge them together. So I can try to merge them. This is another great high value tool. I can just take them, right click, and go merge scan roll groups. It's going to try to combine them using the current registrations. After you merge them, you optimize them, again doing a final registration on just this set here. This maneuver, optimize scan roll groups, is the same as registration register, but only on this one group. My last group here has 2 in it. It didn't find constraints here in the first group search, so there's another command you can use within a group. It's called, under constraint, find constraints in scan roll group. It's going to go ahead and try to find any available constraints in the group. And then I'm going to optimize. Okay, so I've optimized this group into a tight fit. Now I can compare it to group 1, not by pairwise, by how all of the scans fit together in one group. So I'm comparing one group and rotating it over the whole other group. And then I'm going to go merge, and I'm going to try to see if these fit together. So it says it initially fits together, but then again I can optimize, go back and find everything in group 1 looks good, 0 to 5 millimeters error. And then I can go back and go view interim results. So let's take a look, and then we're back to where we started with the completed registration using the new grouping tools in Cyclone 9.0.